Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 1934 Chevy Master Coupe, and I'm really excited to unbox this one because it is not easy to get, at least in India. So I was able to get it via one of my cousin who's staying in Muscat. Okay, fine. Let's open it and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. So this is kind of a deep blue, and it is a glittering blue as well. So the whole body is made of metal, and the rear bumper, front bumper, these are actually made of plastic. So this doesn't have any fiber or something, some kind of glass kind of thing for lights, headlights or taillights, all are like just painted. So the taillights are not even painted, it just protrudes from the fenders. Okay, it looks really cool, for the price range. And the tires are actually made of plastic. The detailing is really great. So, and it is hard to find this specific piece. Yeah. So let me try to show you the interior. It's a bit hard to showcase. And that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.